Hey, good morning, my friends. MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa here with the MLive Morning Weather Update brought to you by Consumers Energy. And this is the time of the year where if you dread winter, you watch the weather and see when's the shoe going to drop. And it's the time of the year if you love winter, 50% of us love winter, 50% of us hate winter here in Michigan. I'm in the mostly love camp just because it's a very active time of the year for me to work. But, if you're in the camp that you love winter, you're like, when's it coming? When's it coming? Well, it's not coming in the next couple of weeks. It is coming, but it's not coming in the next couple of weeks. And I'll show you that. We've had some help with the drought. I'm going to write a story up about that here shortly, but the inside scoop is that the severe drought area went from about 40-something% of Michigan to 21%. And this drought assessment lags a little bit. You say, well, we had a lot of rain yesterday. They take the assessment up to Tuesday, and they issue the map on Thursday. So really it's up to Tuesday, and even there I don't know that the human beings that assess the drought in each sector of Michigan, factor in that day's type of rain. So we'll see a bigger change as we go to next week on the actual map. All right, pretty nice sunny day on the way for today. A couple of nice days. Here's the model that I like to show you, out to 7 to 10 days. And we start off today dry, and we go through tomorrow dry, and we go through Saturday. This is by Saturday evening, dry. Hey, good morning, Susan Pendergrass and Holland, Michigan. Anybody else out there from Holland? Good morning, Paul Lynch and Carol Chapman. Thanks for watching. So then Sunday morning by 7 a.m., already showers in many places. That's why I've been on it already this morning. I've written the weekend forecast up, and what I've advised is, Saturday dry, Sunday off and on showery. So this is Sunday morning into afternoon, showery, south half. And this is Sunday afternoon into evening, showery everywhere. And then done by Monday morning, and Monday, Tuesday, and most of Wednesday look dry before the next rain comes in Thursday. And no snow anywhere in there. After that pushes off, we start a southerly trend and a warming trend once again. And I do really always have to continue to emphasize that, we're in the pattern now where we get a storm system every 4 or 5 days. We'll warm up ahead of it. We'll cool down behind it. It doesn't look like any big, long-lasting cold punches. And then the following warm-up isn't quite as warm as the last one because our furnace system, the sunshine, is weaker with each, 4 to 7 day cold front that passes through. How about total rainfall? Well, through Saturday evening, we're dry. And then through Sunday evening, there you could see everybody gets some rain. A lot of it's 1/10, 2/10 of an inch. There might be a few streaks, 1/4 to a 1/2 inch. But the Sunday rainfall isn't heavy, but it helps the dryness a little bit. And then the following Thursday's rainfall may be heavy on the west side of the state and much lighter on the east side. But again, the UP, Northwest Lower, where the most severe drought was, will have that peck away. Brian Barrett, morning, Mark, heading to Michigan Saturday morning from West Palm Beach, Florida. Aren't you going the other way? Most people be saying, hey, I'm in Michigan here and I'm heading to West Palm Beach on Saturday. Hey, that's all right. That means traffic is going to be good for you because you're going the opposite direction. So a couple of rains on the way. Total precip over the next 10 days. There you see it. 1/2 inch in the eastern half of the state, maybe a little more in some streaks through the Thumb, Saginaw, Flint area. And then the west half of the state. You can almost use I-75 or US 127 to 75 as a dividing line. West of that, over an inch. UP, another nice rain, and you need that. We got the great pine tree forests up in the UP, and they need the moisture going into winter. All right, what about temperatures? Now, first off, I got to bring you back to reality in that what is reality? We have no clue now with the weather pattern that we've been through. What is reality? Over the last 30 years, we averaged a high temperature in the upper 40s in southern Michigan and mid 40s in northern Michigan. So when we talk on Sunday about in the 60s, that's 15 degrees or so warmer than normal. And today, we look at temperatures in the 50s. Okay, so that's still warmer than normal for today. Tomorrow, in the, we'll call it mid to upper 50s, southern half of the state. Saturday, a little cool, but still actually warmer than normal with low 50s in the south, upper 40s in the north. Then Sunday, on a south wind ahead of the showers, we have highs in the 60s. Monday in the 50s. Tuesday in the 50s. Wednesday ahead of the next rain, back to the 60s. Behind the rain on the cold front, next Friday, November 15th, 40s and low 50s. And 10 days out, November 16th, highs in the 40s with 60s still not all that far away. All right, now let's look out long term. Let's look out 16 days, always trying to prepare you for when the shoe drops. And I don't think the winter shoe drops in the next 2 weeks. So we're going to look at the European model, 50 tweaks of it averaged together. And what you're going to see is over the next 16 days, it predicts the temperatures to be warmer than normal pretty much across the board. So let's go to it. So here is our warmer than normal conditions. Here's our Sunday warmth, and there's our Monday and Tuesday, and then there's our warmth that I showed you. Oh, sorry, got to get the map on there for you. That would help. So back up. So here's your Sunday warmth, and here's your Monday and Tuesday. Warmth builds into Wednesday and Thursday. Cold front comes through. On November 15th and 16th, still stays warmer than normal. On November 18th, November 19th, we are actually, I think we're at Thanksgiving here, November 21st. Slightly warmer than normal, no big pocket of cold anywhere in sight. And by the way, Climate Prediction Center, they issue the 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day and the month forecast. 6 to 10, much warmer than normal with some wet conditions. 8 to 14 day, much warmer than normal with wet conditions. 3 to 4 week forecast, this was issued last Friday. This takes us out to the end of November. Warmer than normal. So looks like we will go down with a way things are pacing now. It certainly looks like we'll go down with a warmer than normal November on the way. Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa with the MLive Morning Weather Update brought to you by Consumers Energy. Have yourselves a great day. I may take tomorrow off because I need to get some stuff done before that shoe drops, and it will definitely drop at some point. So take care. Talk to you on Monday. Bye.